Namaskar everyone. So my dear students, I welcome you all to the next episode of MTech Admission Guidance Series. And as usual, again with me is my friend, dearest friend Amrinder sir is also there.
Namaskar.
So dear students, the way this series is progressing forward, first of all, we covered a lot of IITs, the COAP fourth round counseling, when we are recording this video, sir, the COAP fourth round counseling, the offers are out.
Yes.
So at the start of this video, I want to convey this thing that a lot of you who have filled up the COAP form, they are currently in a state of confusion.
Right.
And a lot of students are approaching us for their dilemma.
Yes.
That sir, which IIT to choose, which not to choose, which branch to prefer. There are a few things that I want to put forward at the start of the video itself. First of all, if there is a dilemma in your decision making, it is mandatory to go through our all IIT videos again.
Yes.
Because some of the students, sir, they might think that, okay, I have gone through the videos once, but let me tell you this thing. All those videos are based on knowledge. All those videos are going to add value to your life. And definitely, sir, many times, even in engineering also it happens, you would agree with me that when I read a certain book, when I put the first reading into the book, I get some clarity over some topics. But when I read it again my mindset, and there are a few more points that get enriched.
Right.
And the next time I read, it becomes more enriched. So similar is with our IIT's video that are already there, and whether you believe it or not, according to us, all your doubts, all your dilemmas, and whatever problems you are facing in the decision making, they are definitely going to get cleared.
Sir, in fact, actually, the discussion which we have done is so extensive
Yes.
that if we go through it once, you may get some basic information, but to retain the understanding of the entire video and various branches, it is difficult. So, especially what happens, you go through the round 1, you saw some video, you filled your choices.
Yes.
Now, by the time you have round 4, you forget about the various options that were there when you initially chose it.
Yes.
Now, what the student asks, sir, this college, this branch versus this college, this branch. And if seriously they go through the videos which we have made, we have discussed all the points which will be relevant.
Very thoroughly, sir. That is
Placement.
important. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Placement,
Coursework, the percentage placement, the packages, and we have the student testimonials also,
Yes.
who are sharing their experience regarding whether they'll get time to do their extracurricular activities or
Definitely.
not. So everything has been discussed, but yes, as sir has said, you should go through the videos again anywhere if you face the dilemma.
Acha, one more thing I want to add up here is the problem with the student community is that, let us say you are my colleague, you are one of the students, I am also one of the students. So what students, I have seen this, sir, in the last 1 month, it is continuously going on. Students, what they are going to do, they are going to put their query on some random platform. They are going to put their query on some random Telegram channel. They are going to ask to their own classmates. Just tell me one thing, that you want a very genuine advice and a person who is at the same shallow level as you are. He is your classmate, okay? The same person is also in trouble. वो भी तो तकलीफ में है ना?
Exactly.
तो इस तरह की परिस्थिति में उस बच्चे से पूछने का कोई खास फायदा है नहीं आपको. दूसरी बात है, एक्सपर्ट से पूछो ना. Why are you not taking the expert advice? Your teachers are struggling so hard here on daily basis that for a single video it requires 4 days of research. And let me tell you this thing, this is not an easy task to gather all the things together at one place and giving the utmost genuine advice.
Right.
So the student community must realize this fact that you should always follow something which is topmost level of genuinity
Right.
and topmost level of knowledge topmost level of thoroughness. Then only it will be useful to you.
Sir, I would like to add one point here. When we are specifically talking about the master's course,
Yes.
now in the master's course, the current understanding becomes very relevant because आप admission लोगे and after 1 year you will be in the second year. So you will be facing the placements. So basically it requires a lot of effort to know what is the current understanding in the market.
Yes, yes.
Now, see,
And-
if we compare it with the BTech,
Yeah.
sir, if somebody suppose feels that this and this branch is doing very good, he takes admission, but his chance of placement will come after 3.5 years or 3 years or 4 years. So by that time, whatever scenario of the market was, that is bound to change because it is a longer span of time.
Yes.
So asking or referring the expert guidance becomes very, very important when you have to go through the situation just in an year as the your seniors or the people who are in colleges are going through.
And sir, very frankly, they would have been seeing in all the videos, this is our 14th episode of MTech admission guidance, the extensive groundwork that we have done. We are not just saying or making the videos just for the sake of information. We literally have struggled so much to gather all the information. So our groundwork is so strong that we might be the best person in this form of video to give you the correct guidance about the current scenario, about the current industry relevancy. And sir, today's knowledge session, because they know that we are never going to directly start the video.
Yes.
They might be getting excited after looking at the board. Oh, they are going to talk about
NIT
Surathkal today. Yes, dear students. Today also we have bought a wonderful top level NIT, almost at par with NIT Trichy. That is National Institute of Technology, Surathkal.
Surathkal.
And someone again might ask, where is Surathkal? So it is in Karnataka. So NIT Trichy was in Tamil Nadu and NIT Surathkal is in Karnataka, dear students. But yes, you know of us that we are never going to start the video directly and discuss the branches. First of all, it is about the knowledge session. And today's knowledge session is related to the discussions which we just completed or we were just discussing about the industry relevance. Sir, I would like to put forward a question in front of you that a lot of these students will be facing inside their heart. This is true feeling. See, being a mechanical engineer, there is always a dwand. Hindi bhasha mein dwand kehte hain, Angrezi bhasha mein dilemma. There is always a dilemma in my mind to go with the conventional historical branches. Like in case of mechanical engineering, people would have heard of
mechanical
design, thermal engineering and production or manufacturing. So these are the conventional branches which are widely spread across all the IITs, all the NITs. These branches are there. But the point of reference is that the students are a bit hesitant, sir, nowadays, to be very frank. Nowadays, always they have been hesitant to take the newer branches, the unique branches. And today's topic is very, very important because a lot of IITs, a lot of NITs are having a lot of unique industry driven and new age branches are present in a lot of IITs and NITs.
Right.
So sir, today I want you to put some light on conventional branches versus the new age branches. What is your thought process in this?
So see, what we are going to do is we are going to discuss both the angles for both the sides so that you can make an informed decision, and wherever you are facing the dilemma, hope it will be helpful to clear that. So sir, if we see that there are certain branches, now let me start with this, sir.
Yeah,
I
give
had
them some examples.
I had a conversation basically with one of our students. I just remembered it. So
it always happens in our conversation that we keep on remembering something.
I did not think about it before starting the video, but it just struck me. He was one of the student of IC Bangalore. So I was having conversation with him. So I said that because one of my friend had studied in 2011. So when he studied, the placements were not there, and in fact the training and placement office was not there in IISc Bangalore. Now this student told me, sir, once the TPO has been set up, training and placement office, the placement scenario is doing good. So I inquired more through him. So he said, sir, the companies which come for the placement, they generally know the conventional things.
Yes.
Because they are older people sitting in the HR, and they are not very much aware in depth about the various branches that are. So now what happens is, a TPO will tell them that you are doing this job in the industry, and for this job, this relevant branch we have, so this is going to be of very much importance to you. So when you are allowing the students eligibility, you should include them. So what is happening is that as the interaction between the institute TPOs and the industry people are growing, so that is also driving a lot of branches and
New age
framework,
branches, yeah.
which are specifically based on what is the industry requirements. So if we talk about the conventional branches like the machine design, or somewhere it is also called as mechanical design, then the thermal, and then the manufacturing.
Production and manufacturing.
Yeah. So coursework more or less in various institutes
is almost the same.
Yeah, almost the same.
And see, we are not saying in this manner that the conventional branches are not good or something like that.
Yes.
They are there, of course. They are the topmost branches. They are conventional. They are historical branches.
Yes.
Everybody knows about it. They are wide spectrum.
Yes.
They are widely spread throughout the country.
Yes.
So if you are in mechanical engineering, so a lot of students, they just know about mechanical design, thermal and production. But when we are talking about the new age branches, what do we mean by that? Let me give you some fantastic examples that we have seen in the last 14 videos itself. See, there are branches like smart mobility. There are branches like e-mobility. There are branches like smart manufacturing. There are branches like additive manufacturing.
Right.
There are branches like mechatronics. There are branches like applied mechanics. There are branches like computational data science. There are branches like nanotechnology. There are branches like semiconductor technology. There are branches like welding technology. There are branches like industrial safety. So all these branches, these are some of the few examples.
Applied mechanics.
Applied mechanics in IIT Delhi.
Yes.
In the IEOR, Industrial Engineering Operation Research in IIT Bombay. So these are the new age branches which we are talking about. A lot of you are hesitant to take these branches, but let me tell you this thing, that all the IITs and NITs, they have these unique courses because this is the bloody demand of the industry. That's why they have started these branches now.
Right.
So our genuine advice to you guys is that you should really ponder upon these branches also, and don't think like that only mechanical design, thermal, production, that is okay if you are getting it, if you are interested. But if you are interested in mechatronics, if you are interested in semiconductor, I'm telling you, sky is the limit in the current scenario. But
you have to be ready to learn, to grow your skills. Sir, if suppose somebody is getting like what we are trying to say is, if you are getting mechanical design or machine design, or you are getting thermal or manufacturing in a decent institute, you are very much interested into that, that is fine. But because there are many people hesitant for these new branches which sir has just now mentioned, so some of them, sir, we have seen very good placements, but they are
level of
available
placements,
at very low gate scores.
Because this is our 14th video, sir.
Yes.
And in all the 14 videos, we have discussed so many new age branches, and never ever we have found it out that the placement is not there. The placement is 100%. But the point to be noted here is that most of these branches are interdisciplinary branches. So let us say, for example, if you are a mechanical engineer and you are taking mechatronics, for example. Now mechatronics will have courseworks like actuators, controllers and things like that. So a lot of portion will be dealing with electronics.
Yes.
So a mechanical engineer who is taking mechatronics as a branch has to be ready
Yes, you should
to
be ready.
learn those skills.
Yes.
You should have an open mindset. And let me tell you, mechatronics, nanotechnology, semiconductor technology, e-mobility in IIT Delhi, sir, again interdisciplinary, 50% batch mechanical, 50% batch electrical. Similarly, computational dynamic science, this computational data science, CDS, in ISC Bangalore, and today, though I don't want to reveal, but in Surathkal also, one of the top branches is CDS.
Yes.
So, a student who haven't got the opportunity to be in ISC Bangalore in CDS, Surathkal is providing the same opportunity.
Yes.
But the thing is, completely interdisciplinary. You will have students from civil engineering.
All the
branches are there. And that is going to form your batch. So therefore, you need not be rigid for mechanical engineering. That is my point.
And sir, in fact, see, the main thing is, when the people become rigid in their mind is, they, today itself I was, I think in the morning I was talking to somebody, and I had a discussion that in the today's scenario, no matter which branch you take,
yes,
and if you are going for the specialization, the software learning is a must, the AI is integrated,
data
the ML
science
is integrated,
data science,
yes,
machine learning.
So these things are basically not the things which only the software people will learn. You as a mechanical engineer, if you have to get result for a particular problem, you will have to write a code using your mechanical understanding, so that the machine will solve iterations of that problem and you will be able to get a result. आप copy pen लेके, calculator लेके, you will not be able to solve so lengthy calculations. और sir एक और बात है which I would like to add up. These people should know that institute is not getting placed. It is you as an individual who is getting
very
placed.
Important point.
Institute will give you an opportunity. It will give you a platform where many companies will come to you.
Yes.
But you as an individual, if you do not grow, you are not going to get placed. Because any company who is giving you money wants to get some work out of you.
Yes, of course.
And if you are not that ready, so why they will pay you?
So therefore, you have to become highly industry relevant.
Yes.
And all these new age branches are coming from the demand of the industry itself.
Demand, yes.
Like an electric vehicle is there, a self-drive car is there. You know, there are so robotics and automation is there.
Yes.
So many newer technologies is there. That's why the demand of all these new age branches will keep on growing in the next 20-30 years. We have also talked about this thing. When Bharat is going to grow, the manufacturing sector of the country is going to grow.
The R&D sector is going to grow.
Yes, which is bound to grow, sir.
Yes.
Specialized person will be highly in demand. And especially when you are a mechatronics specialization, let us say you are having a specialization in nanotechnology, you have a specialization in material process, metallurgy, or any specialization for that regard, you are going to be the most valued engineer. Just the only requirement is, इसको open करो, इसको खोलो और rigid मत रहो. अपना ठीक है, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ना है, वी हैव टू स्टडी मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग द कोर, बट वी हैव टू एड ऑन द वैल्यूज ऑफ डेटा साइंस, मशीन लर्निंग, थोड़ा सा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, थोड़ा सा इलेक्ट्रिकल भी, मेक अ कॉम्बिनेशन आउट ऑफ इट एंड बिकम ब्यूटिफुल इंडस्ट्री रेलेवेंट. नोबडी कैन स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम गेटिंग प्लेस्ड इन दीज टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट्स. सो सर, let us start. They might be getting, sir, you always bore us in the first 20 minutes. Dear, you don't know that whatever things are coming out from our heart in the first 20 minutes, they are the most valuable gems which are coming out of your teacher's mouth. As I told you at the starting, we are the persons who are, वो कहते हैं ना सर पॉलिटिक्स में ग्राउंड का नब्ज है पॉलिटिशियन को, उसी तरह से वी हैव द नब्ज, द नर्व्स which is there going on in the current scenario, the placement scenario, and what is the requirement of the industry and how the IITs and NITs are functioning to that. हमें नब्ज पता है, तो बातों को हल्के में बिल्कुल मत लो. एंड वैसे भी सर, this is our Edu series.
Edu series.
These people, they see the web series. Now they must devote time
For
to
the
add
Edu
value
series.
to their life. And this is saving a lot of time.
Yes.
Because because this much of research, first of all, you cannot do by yourself. Second thing is, if you do by yourself, it is going to consume a lot of time. Third thing is, you will never reach to a decision.
Exactly.
But by looking at our videos completely, they might be lengthy, but they are full of knowledge and will help you to get the best, make the best possible decision.
The videos are lengthy because we speak our heart out. And
Yes.
when we speak, it is a combination of the queries which you put, the discussions which we have with
Yes.
our students in the industry, in the institutions, our own experience. So, mix of all, then we speak something.
Sir, you said
so
that we speak from our heart. Some of them might be thinking that 14 episodes, such a long video, it would
Such
have
big
been
hearts.
such big hearts. So these videos might be edited and things like that. Let me tell you, this is our 14th video and not even a single video has been edited. Whatever we record on the camera directly is coming to you on YouTube. Zero editing. Okay. Now this you can feel that what we are saying when we are saying that we are talking from our hearts. Because when we are not talking from our hearts, then the manipulation is required, then the editing is required. But when things are directly coming from the roots with a lot of hard work and a lot of struggle for the complete student community, then no editing is required because we are the ones who is conveying the knowledge, you are the ones who are taking that knowledge. Okay, chalo sir, let us start and move forward.
Let us
with
take our research with us.
NIT Surathkal.
So,
again-
NIT Surathkal, sir, first of all,
One very important, but even
it-
sir, I want to spend my life in such a college. To be very
it has a private beach.
Oh my God.
So, obviously, when you will get into this college, first 1 or 2 months, you will be regular to that beach. Then you may feel like, okay, I have done much
Maybe
of
with
it.
someone, who knows? Because students have told us that this college is very close to the beach.
Yes.
In fact, they have a private
Private
beach.
beach.
Just let us say 400 to 500 meters walking distance, you have a beach.
Yes. So,
for
private beach means it is accessible to the
NIT
people
Surathkal.
studying in this institute.
The boundary
because
wall,
boundary
the,
is there.
the boundary wall of the college is coinciding with the,
Rest.
in parallel with the sea beach. So that is one thing that. Chalo
Now-
sir, let us start with
Yeah.
Department of
The
Mechanical Engineering.
eligibility, etc. is same as we have already discussed in NIT
NIT
Trichy.
Trichy. So you
now
can
let
see
us
that.
start
Yeah.
talking about the departments. So, sir, first we have the mechanical department, and in this mechanical department,
4 specializations are there,
yes.
sir.
So, the first specialization we will talk about is mechanical
Is
design.
the normal conventional, which is but it was not there in NIT Trichy. sir.
NIT Trichy.
NIT Trichy
There was welding in NIT Trichy.
Welding and industrial safety were there. So,
So-
mechanical design is the name of the branch, and in
Gate
this
paper
mechanical and, PI,
PI gate paper is
people are allowed in
Yes.
this. Dear
And-
students, one very important thing let me specify. When we are writing here BE, BTech in mechanical and gate paper mechanical, this doesn't mean, because there is a long list on the CCMT website that which BTech degrees are allowed.
Allowed.
And let me be very specific about it, that almost all the BTech branches are allowed.
which are related with mechanical and production.
Yes.
Almost all of them you will find.
So,
you will find
if-
mechanical
if-
and industrial.
If some of you is having a doubt, let us say for example, if someone of you is having a degree BTech in automobile and he or she might think that whether I am eligible to this department or not, just go and check on the CCMT website. Okay, that is important. Sir,
Then, so these are the gate papers, sir has already mentioned. Then, if we talk about the number of seats. So, sir, in this seats are group 1. These groups are basically the groups related with the branches which we have discussed, the gate papers.
yes.
So, all the 3 groups, sir, gate paper is
based on mechanical and PI. So
Mechanical and
basically,
PI.
total number is 18 seats, which is mechanical and PI
PI
gate
seats.
paper. How many of them are for PI, how many of them are for mechanical, it is not mentioned. So therefore, it will be basically according to the gate score.
Yes. So then we have the round
Cutoffs.
1 cutoffs. So as we have already discussed,
Sir, I
let
think
me
before
brief
going
them.
to the cutoffs, let us brief them about the coursework
Yes.
in this.
Yes.
And placement,
So,
you might be
placement.
asking the placement.
So in the mechanical design, the almost see what we were told was that all the companies which come for the mechanical department, they allow the design mostly, because what happens is that suppose, sir, we talked about this point in one of the IT video also, that suppose a automobile manufacturer is coming for recruitment. So now the manufacturer has the requirement for manufacturing also, the requirement for thermal person also, the requirement for design person also.
Yes.
So mostly whatever companies come, they come
allow
for
all the
all
four
the-
specializations
Yes, of
to
mechanical
sit in
department.
their placement drive. And about the design engineering, see, first of all, let me tell you, the placement is almost 100%.
Yes.
So don't doubt about it that in the mechanical engineering, all the four specialization that we are going to show you on the board, the placement is almost 100%. And see, this we have also discussed in the last video. Whatever top MNCs and the companies which are coming to the IITs, same companies, they also come to the top NITs.
NITs also.
Just the only difference is a bit of a difference in the
Package.
package level. That is important.
So sir,
yeah, last year,
average package is 10 LPA,
which
maximum.
is not bad.
Yes.
Which is not bad. Maximum is 17 LPA.
LPA.
In the current batch, one of the students from design have got 17 LPA package in General Electrics.
General Electric.
In General Electrics. So 17 LPA is not bad, sir.
That's
It is huge amount
To
to
start
start
with,
your career with in core sector. That
And sir,
is
most
the
importantly,
beauty.
they get roles that are very, very R&D associated.
Yes.
These are not regular roles where you are sitting on a shop floor and you are doing certain things. After BTech,
This,
generally people
see,
get these
dear
type of
student,
roles.
this is not graduate engineer, GET. Okay, the positions at which you go in a certain industry or the company, you have a quite stable career, and then sky is the limit. Depends on your learning capacities.
Right.
So companies like, sir,
Yes, the companies like Tata Motors, they offer 12.5 LPA, GE, Mercedes-Benz,
sir, I like
Caterpillar.
that. I want to stop it. Mercedes-Benz. See, this is, I think, one of the oldest associations of NIT Surathkal is with Mercedes-Benz, because Mercedes-Benz have been visiting the NIT Surathkal campus since long, maybe 10 years, sir. Because I have been one of my friends during my time, he took the mechatronics branch, which is there in which we will discuss. And he also in 2011 or 10 maybe something, he was also placed in Mercedes-Benz. And it is an R&D sector of Mercedes-Benz, and the package is 15 lakh.
15 lakh.
And one, though I didn't want you to discuss, but now let me disclose, in the current batch, 23 students have been placed in Mercedes-Benz from NIT Surathkal, from this department itself. And at a package of 15 lakh, the posting is in Bangalore, R&D center. Wow, amazing, yaar. Amazing.
So when we say this department, it means the entire mechanical
entire
department.
mechanical department,
Which
okay?
includes thermal,
which includes
production.
thermal, manufacturing, and mechatronics.
Right. So sir, we have basically what something the student have told, that in this, if we see in this season, the placement of thermal and manufacturing has been slightly
a bit
better
on the higher side, yeah.
In NIT Surathkal, the placement of thermal and manufacturing has been a bit on the higher side. So, sir, let us talk about the coursework.
Yes, definitely, we should talk.
Yes. So, in the coursework, what you can expect in the first semester, viscoelastic materials, fracture mechanics, mathematical analysis is there, then finite element
methods.
Yes.
Theory of vibrations is there, advanced mechanism, fatigue analysis, fracture mechanics. Why
Same.
It because again it is strengthening our point which we discussed in the starting, that all these are conventional branches. So across the IITs, across the NITs, almost you can say 80 to 85% course is similar for this design and
so
things.
software
Software
are
is
also similar. ANSYS, MATLAB, and one point which one of the student told that MATLAB in this machine design course here, mechanical design, they learned themselves. That was something like
because we never heard this thing in IITs.
IITs generally mostly everything gets covered,
Yes.
but here they were not able to arrange, some professor or something was there.
In
so
fact,
they
in
learned themselves.
IIT, we used to hear that the second semester, the worksheet is in such a
Yes.
manner that a student by itself has to learn MATLAB.
Exactly.
MATLAB.
The projects are such
the
in
projects
such a
are
way.
such, yeah.
Yes.
So, sir, let us now talk about the cutoffs.
Sir, the cutoffs and one more thing, sir. Isme first semester is not that hectic. What the
Yes.
student told, just for the sake of the understanding. Some of the people, can I prepare for PSU and engineering services?
Sir, इनका गेट ESPSU का प्यार नहीं जा रहा है.
So for those, see, we strictly feel and we are of the mindset that once you go to these beautiful master courses, you should devote your entire energy towards learning.
Learning in masters.
But anyways, teachers ज़्यादा pressure नहीं डालते. The pressure is not much. So that is for the first semester. Now, sir, let us move to the cutoffs. So cutoff for the mechanical
Open category.
design,
Yeah.
open category.
Open category, maximum gate score was 634 and this is 623 in round 1.
Round 1. So let me brief them about the number of rounds. In the, we have already talked about this. There are total 6 rounds. Out of them, 3 are round 1, round 2, round 3. Then there are 2 special rounds, special round 1, special round 2. Then there is national spot round.
Spot round.
So what we have done, we have taken the round 1 data, round 3 data and national spot round data if it was conducted. So that you get a range that in what
You get
range,
a complete idea. Yeah.
the initial student got selected in midway.
So
and
the
final.
other category students can also look it from the board. Okay, that
Yes.
what was their cutoffs.
Now we have, this is, sir, for the, actually
Groups.
there are groups.
There are 3 groups in mechanical design. So in group 2, which is I think dealing with PI, so therefore 600 and 597.
And group
in
3.
group 3, why 596 and approximately 592.
592.
So basically in round 1, sir, round 3 data, just show them. Round
So this
3
is
data.
the round 3 data.
So in round 3 data, 623 and 597 in the open category.
Other categories can see, this is group 1. Then we have round 3 group 2. So this is the, for
Yeah.
the open category.
596 and 554.
Yes, for the open category we have this here.
And G3 bhi hoga sir, group 3.
Group 3. So
Okay.
for group 3,
Open is 550 to 531.
31.
So basically for this particular branch, let us say if you are in a range of 575 or 570 plus,
Yes.
then definitely you can expect mechanical design in NIT Surathkal.
This was round 3 and no
There was no spot round. So
because
this means in round 3 itself and some special rounds are also there.
Yes.
So the all the seats were gone. So there was no seat available in the spot round.
spot round, right. So
Thermal
now
engineering,
the
another
thermal
conventional branch.
Conventional branch, but
So thermal
a decent
engineering,
branch.
one very important point to note is in the thermal engineering branch, only the mechanical gate paper is allowed.
Yes.
So there is no PI paper allowed here.
Yes. So for the thermal branch, sir, if we talk about the placements, so whatever we discussed about the design, that is valid here. And as I already told, we already discussed that the manufacturing and thermal placements were slightly better. So when we talk about better, the opportunities were slightly more and the placements were easier. Though
Average
placement
packages were a bit more
a
maybe.
bit more.
Yeah.
And though 100% placement for all of them, when we say 100%, it simply means that if somebody is not performing, like if you are getting, sir, 5 CGPA
Yes.
in the masters and you are not at all serious about it, so if you are not getting placed, that is not the fault of the institution,
Yes.
right?
Because the all the companies are coming and they are allowing the complete mechanical department.
Yes.
Bajaj Auto is there, Applied Materials is there, some aerospace companies are also coming.
Yes.
And sir, on this page it is written that 23 students. Again and again I am repeating because yes, we like it. So 23 students from this department in the current batch have been placed in Mercedes Benz for 15 lakh package.
Yes.
So
Now-
sir, next slide
So
Yeah.
the number of seats,
is 18.
18. The
And
number
it
of
is
seats.
completely dedicated to mechanical.
Exactly, mechanical. And if we see, sir, the round one
Cutoffs.
cutoffs, so we have this open category here, and
Sir, see, wow. See, this is one point which we are again and again looking, because just by looking at the data, these people can understand. Because one more point I want to add up here, sir. A lot of students nowadays, in the last 5-10 days, they are in a high state of confusion and they are messaging us, sir, I am getting this branch in IIT Patna. I am getting this branch in IIT Ropar. So my suggestion to them is that, okay, you are getting something in the newer IITs, the second generation IISc, the not so well established IITs at the moment, then you can also look forward to the top NITs. See the cutoff, sir. It is not that much in the round one, 520 only.
and sir, if we see the lowest, it is 497.
It is 497.
It is almost 500.
So, and beautiful placements, 100% placements. The load is lesser.
Yes,
You can enjoy your life. You can chill at the beach.
private beach.
Private beach. Yeah.
So if we talk about the round,
Round
3,
Oh, sir, it has decreased further.
550.
550 for round 3.
Let us see if there was any national spot round, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Oh my. Sir,
99.
but these kind of scenarios
Ah.
happens by luck.
By luck. You cannot rely on the national spot round because
Yes.
as you have already seen in the mechanical design stream.
Sir, what is the meaning of national spot round? Listen, in the first 3 rounds and in the special rounds, even after special rounds, there are many students who have got some offer in IIT, some offer here, and maybe some got some PSU. So generally what happens is they are going to take admission, but at the last they are going to withdraw from that admission.
Right.
So the seat gets vacant, and to fill up that seat, the national spot round is conducted.
So you have to be present on that date.
Yes, with full fees.
Yes.
And you should be present on that day and that particular institute.
Yes. So then let us talk about the manufacturing engineering. So both manufacturing, mechanical and production and industrial engineering gate paper is allowed. And as sir, we have already told them, qualifying degree, mechanical.
You can check
and
on the CCMT website.
Yeah.
There is a long list of the degrees which are eligible.
Right. So, sir, for the manufacturing branch, if we talk about the coursework, so basically we don't have much to add here apart from whatever we have been discussing in the
Yes.
manufacturing. So, the regular coursework is there, and in NIT Surathkal, we have already said slightly the placements this season, they were better compared to the design. In fact, sir, some of the students, when we ask them the preference, though we will tell you the branch preference also, some of the student, surprisingly though, they keep manufacturing above design in this,
at the top,
in the Surathkal.
Yeah.
So this is quite surprising.
Sir, I think this is according to the trend which we discussed at the starting, that India has to become the manufacturing hub.
Yes.
And for India to become manufacturing hub, you need material science engineers, you need manufacturing engineers, you need those specialized engineers which can make the Indian manufacturing and make it a developed nation.
Sir, there is something it just came to my mind. We discussed it while discussing our IIT video. One very important point you had put forward, that was the geographical dividend.
Ah, yes.
That when the manufacturing units are being established, when the special economic zones are being created,
Yes.
it is also very important that what are the locations where they are getting created. So we have seen the southern belt, the western belt.
From, let us say, Pune
Yes.
to this Karnataka,
Yes.
Telangana, and this complete
Tamil Nadu
belt,
also.
even Odisha also, sir. Odisha, the mines, the metallurgy.
Yes.
We will, if time permits, we are going to discuss in Rourkela, NIT Rourkela.
Obviously, if the time permits.
If the time permits.
Yeah.
Okay, NIT Rourkela is, you know, Odisha is filled with minerals.
Yes.
So this southern complete belt, all the institutes which are present in the southern belt, like we have seen for IIT Hyderabad,
Yes.
IIT Madras is doing wonders among all the old
Yes.
IITs. Apart from that, you see all the top NITs is in the southern belt.
Yes.
Trichy, Warangal, Surathkal, Calicut and your Rourkela, all are in the southern belt. So from Pune, Bombay, Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Karnataka and complete coastal line to Odisha, all these, you know, geographical regions, they have the higher number of industries.
Sir, it also becomes very obvious for an industry which is located in, let us say, Karnataka to recruit somebody from NIT Surat.
From NIT Surathkal, yes.
Because if you ask somebody who is established in Karnataka to go to Jammu and Kashmir for recruitment, obviously, see, the people are talented everywhere, na? So they will see their convenience also.
Yes.
And the adaptability of the people also.
Sir, everything has a cost.
Yes.
Everything has a cost. So therefore, this is the reason why that the placements in the southern belt
Yes.
is on the higher side.
Side.
It is on the higher side. So you got this knowledge also.
So manufacturing engineering, yeah, the placement we have already discussed at par with we
Now, let
actually
us
talked
discuss.
about the entire mechanical
Sir,
department.
just look at this. 565, 490.
सर इसके लिए मैं ये भी बोलूंगा कि why we see this less than 500 because mindset है ना कि conventional branches में सर अगर we have not done the groundwork simply कोई ऐसे ही पूछता है basic जिसको पता है तो क्या fill करना है बेटा design, thermal, manufacturing without looking at the college,
Definitely.
without
looking at the placement, without looking at the current scenario,
Yes.
without looking at the coursework of the branch.
exactly.
This is so, this is complete idioticness. This is complete rubbishness. Because, sir, even मैं आपको बताऊं, हमारे वीडियोस से पहले अगर कोई इन्हें बोलता इंडस्ट्रियल सेफ्टी में ले लो, they would have laughed it out. We would have mechatronics. We are going to discuss the next branch is mechatronics. अगर कोई आपसे बोलता कि mechatronics ले लो, अरे I will take design, I will take this, I will take that. So our videos are making you value addition, brainy from here. That is very important.
This is round 1. Let us talk about the round 3 for the open category. We have
Sir, it has come down to
425.
425.
तो मजाक हो रहा है सर. Then
Sir,
more spot round.
425 will be approximately how much marks?
If we see 425
In the
gates
current
for
year?
in the current, so it may be, sir, I think around 35 because somebody day
Sir-
before yesterday told me he got around 31 and half marks and the gate score was 379 around. That was, if I remember it correctly, maybe somewhat here and there. But so we can say 35 marks. And
So even a student who's getting 35 marks has a beautiful opportunity with 100% placements.
yes.
So this is the beauty of the things. This is the beauty of the knowledge. Because a student who's not investing time in looking at our videos, बहुत cute हो यार फिर तुम, बहुत ही cute हो. Mechatronics.
So we have
sir.
mechatronics, yes.
See, dear students, a lot of students in NIT Surathkal have told us that you can put this branch at number 1 in the mechanical engineering department because it is the upcoming branch. The placements are all the higher side. I think, sir, if I remember correctly, Mercedes-Benz have taken 6 students
From the mechatronics.
if
Yes.
I'm not wrong.
They have taken
Might be written
around-
somewhere. It is not written, but I remember the words of the students whom we talked to. Approximately 6 students were taken from mechatronics branch.
So mechatronics in this, both from mechanical and electronics,
Yes.
people are taken.
So here basically it is an interdisciplinary branch of mechanical and electronics. But this branch is in the mechanical engineering
Yes,
department.
mechanical engineering department. And you can see the gate paper. If we focus on the gate paper, so mechanical engineering and production and industrial engineering gate paper is allowed. If you see the qualifying degree, we have written here 2 of them, but there is a long list.
Long
लंबी
list,
है.
as
हम
usual.
लगातार ये बात करते आ रहे हैं. And sir, in the mechatronics branch,
this is
they-
very important.
yeah.
Give them some idea.
see
that-
why some of the students from NIT Surathkal, they have placed it at one of the topmost branches. The reason is, if you are going to talk about the coursework of the mechatronics, so there is mechanical also, there is electronics also. So now suppose there is an automobile company that visits the
Yes.
college. So basically what happens is, suppose I am from a particular industry, I visit NIT Surathkal. Then I say, I talk to the TPO, sir, this is what I have to recruit. Now, if I am an automobile company, the TPO will suggest me, sir, you need people for this. You also have this work, na? So
Yes.
you will need this also. So allow this branch also, because these people study this. So automobile
like
is
for
sorted.
example, sir, you need batteries.
Yes.
So for batteries, you will recruit from the manufacturing branch. You need the chassis design,
Yes.
the complete transmission system and things like that. Let us say we are talking about an electric vehicle. You need the design branch. And also from the thermal background, heat dissipation,
transfer, yes.
heat transfer, computational dynamics and things like that. You need thermal engineering. And nowadays, self-drive cars, electric vehicles. See, with the example of a simple electric vehicle, we are telling you that how a company person is going to come and take students from all the 4 branches, and his demand is catered and in single college. So that is the beauty.
Sir, the beauty of the mechatronics branch is, I remember I did my training, industrial training. It was in 2007 around, I think. Yeah. So I did in NTPC. Now there, when I was doing the training, we were assigned different departments. So now when we went into the department which was dealing with some instruments, so they told the head there to which we were assigned. So he told that the most important requirement for the industry at this point of time is a person who has both mechanical as well as electronics knowledge.
Electronics, yes.
Because if we recruit somebody from mechanical, we have to spend time to teach him about the electronics, because the industries are having integrated roles.
Yeah.
And if we take somebody from electronics, we have to spend time to teach him about the certain mechanical thing. So this is basically why this branch has become popular. And in fact, sir, we were talking about some of the students ask about an IIT Patna.
IIT
There is
Patna,
mechatronics in
mechatronics in
IIT
IIT
Patna. If
Patna.
somebody is listening, though we were not
Yeah.
able to make a complete video,
Complete video on IIT Patna.
but the placement of mechatronic branch in IIT Patna also
is
it
also good.
Yes,
is
it
also good. So you can also consider that branch also.
Yes.
So, sir, what are the companies which are coming? So,
Sir, let us write Mercedes Benz to each and every branch.
yes. तो
Recruiting.
मैं लिख ही
हाँ,
देता हूँ
लिख दो
सर,
सर, लिख दो।
मैं लिख देता हूँ येलो कलर से, मेरा मन कर रहा है सर, मर्सिडीज बेंज, ओके, मर्सिडीज बेंज
15
and
LPA.
15 LPA, 15 LPA R&D Bengaluru. Wow, it was fantastic thing to start your career with.
Yes.
Apart from that, Tata Motors, Bajaj Auto, Maruti Suzuki, Inform Technology, well, that is written. Average package is around 10 LPA.
Yes.
And highest is 15
15
LPA,
LPA.
which is given by, sir, it is written 5 members from this
This
branch.
year 5 members. Last year they took
Oh,
9
last
members.
year, this means in the current batch, 5 members were, 5 people from mechatronics
branch.
were placed in Mercedes Benz, but in their senior batch, 9 students were placed in Mercedes Benz.
Yes.
Sir, let us talk about
The coursework, sir. Coursework is actuators, controllers. For a mechanical person, you have to study the electronics part. So, if you are not very ready for it, if you are too much, I don't want to study anything apart from whatever I have studied for
then
the
kindly
gate.
don't take it beta, because वही है, आप पछताओगे, मतलब you will regret. It is not good that you regret afterwards. So that is the reason why now our videos are knowledge giving.
Exactly.
Already telling you that what you are going to face. Because sir, I have seen historically that students in masters also, they take random decisions. This branch, this college, okay, taken. It is just like what they did at the time of their
BTech,
bachelors. that without knowing whether they are interested in that, whether they want to learn that thing or not, or whether they are made for it or not. That is important. So our videos are enlightening you in that regard.
Sir, when we asked about the coursework, there was a very beautiful sentence which was said by one of the student from mechatronics when we asked about the coursework. So he said total course structure is very dynamic, modified to the industry, and listen to this, professor changes course so that it is industry relevant. So the professors will design the course, it may be different for different year.
Even in the running batch.
Exactly.
So this is so amazing, sir.
Yes.
And we must appreciate for in this regard, because ultimately it is the placement that is going to matter.
Yes.
Because see, sir, a student, for him the first job matters.
Exactly.
And a student after studying, if he finds his relevancy in any company, that is the top notch thing. And it is great and appreciable that the professors in NIT Surathkal, Trichy, even in Trichy also, sir, so they are so open to the things, they are making their own branches, they change the curriculum in the current year also, so that their students become industry relevant. And it increases their chances of placement.
That is why the placement is good.
Sir, but one thing, today also we decided we will complete the video in 25-30 minutes.
I don't know what time it is.
But we have so much of things to tell our lovely students that they, hey, bacha, show us some love in the comment section. Because definitely you will get enlightened from our conversations. It is a light-hearted conversation with our students. But definitely your teachers are putting in a lot of efforts, and we as human beings, we also need appreciation.
And sir, we love making these videos.
We love making, our energy is too high.
I don't know why we started off with doing something, then something happened, then something happened, and it is continuing. And in fact, you are getting enlightened. We are also getting enlightened, and we are amazed to see, because
we are also in a process.
Sir, because when somebody comes and says, "Sir, mechanical mein placement nahi ho raha hai," it bothers us also, na?
Yes, yes.
So, but now when we know what is happening in the industry, when we see things, so now we can say, "Bhai, aisa nahi hai."
ऐसा नहीं है, आपकी mistake है.
Problem is with you. If you want
problem is not with the branch, problem is with you.
If you want to prepare 6 years for engineering services, sir, I am saying this. If you want to prepare,
you should say, sir, I am
5 to 6 years for only getting PSU, and you are not open to learning new things, then it is your problem.
Then the problem lies within you. Directly we are saying this.
Not with the industry, not with
the branch, not with the industry. Okay? Because there are a lot of students who don't want to change.
Yes, exactly.
But change is the ultimate truth.
If you have tried your luck once, twice, thrice.
If you don't change, you will get outdated.
Exactly.
For sure, you will get outdated.
Sir, because both EC and ME are there, it is important to tell them that there are no fixed seats for them separately. If we show the number of seats also, there are 17. Now, based on the GATE score, anybody who is interested from electronics, anybody who is interested from mechanical.
Let me correct you. This 17 seats are for mechanical.
These are only for mechanical. Yes.
There is a group 2.
Group 2.
That is for the electronic students.
But I remember somebody told, depends on GATE score who gets EC or mechanical. Anyways.
Okay, anyways. You can check the website for that.
Also. So, we have significant number of, if this is for group 1, yes, we have significant number of seats. If we talk about the, let us see the round 1 GATE score. So, open category, maximum
622 and 532.
32.
Sir, 532. Sir, round 3, show them round 3.
Round 3 for the open category.
Oh my God, sir,
478.
478, and you are getting a chance to get placed in Mercedes-Benz. What's wrong in that, beta? What's wrong in that? Just go and prepare 6 years for engineering services.
Sir, this is my wish that brilliant students should go for masters.
Yes.
Because
this is also somewhere in my heart.
This does not, I mean, this actually requires brilliant people.
Yes.
because the coursework is not like that कि हारा हुआ सिपाही पहुंचे. हारे हुए सिपाहियों के लिए नहीं है.
नहीं है बिल्कुल.
मतलब आप
प्रोग्रेसिव थिंकिंग,
प्रोग्रेसिव थिंकिंग के लिए. It is not about the low gate score. See, when I say हारा हुआ सिपाही, it is not about the low gate score. You prepared, you got some marks, maybe there was some problem, that is fine. But if your mindset is नहीं, I don't want to learn, मेरे को तो बस आराम की नौकरी मिल जाए, and I have to spend my entire life
Masters is not for them.
फिर मत करो.
कोई मजा नहीं है. फिर आप बेफालतू में रिग्रेट करोगे और फिर ना आप कोसोगे. बेसिकली हिंदी में एक शब्द होता है कोसना. तो फिर आप जिंदगी भर ही अपने आप को कोसते रहोगे और उसमें तकलीफ किसी और की नहीं है. बुरा वही वाला है, अपना गिरबान झांक के देखना.
So this is
सर नेशनल ओह माय गॉड
364. सर आज मैं बोल रहा था ना 31 point something and 370.
सर हम ही एडमिशन ले लेते हैं सर. मतलब what is happening? अच्छा, it is not like that, it is same.
हाँ, national spot round में
I think 2 seats were available, 2 to 3 seats were available. That's why this is happening.
Yes.
In national spot round. So beta, this was all about the mechanical engineering department.
Yes.
Now we are going to move on to one more department that is a very special department in NIT Surathkal at par with ISC Bangalore.
Yes.
Department of Methem, and this is another branch which is so much in demand. So much in demand. Mathematical and computational sciences.
Yes.
Sir, what is the course name?
So basically it is computational and data science.
And both mechanical and production engineering students are allowed in it. Not only mechanical and production, basically this is a complete interdisciplinary. Students from civil engineering are allowed, students from chemical are allowed, electronics, electrical, computer science, all are allowed.
Yes.
But this is having the topmost level of placement. But disclaimer, this branch requires a lot of hard work. It is just like changing your complete bachelor's degree 360 degree.
Yes.
Because you have to deal with data science, you have to deal with artificial intelligence, you have to deal with data crunching, data optimization, and sir, there are many students in their bachelor's, they think that, oh, I am not made for mechanical, I want to do something in computer science.
Yes.
Then do it.
Do it.
This is the branch for you. This is giving you an opportunity to shift complete 360 degree.
Yes.
But you have to work hard. There is no escape route. You have to work hard. Otherwise, you will die in these kind of branches. Acha, because sir, this
instead of data crunching, you will get crunch.
Sir, this branch is also there in ISC Bangalore.
Yes.
So in ISC Bangalore, interviews are there for the getting admission into this particular branch, and our lovely students from this year itself, they have shared the interview questions with us. So this branch is highly mathematical.
Highly mathematical.
Your mathematics has to be top notch level.
It is, see this word, computational.
Sir, the name of the department itself is mathematics. See, sir.
Yes.
The name of the department
of
itself. It's a special department here, and only one branch is there. That is computational dynamic sciences.
So basically, sir, if we talk about the placement, it is very good. Somebody also got 50 LPA.
Awesome, sir.
Amazon.
It is 50 LPA. One of the students got in Amazon, and the packages are on the higher side. 25 to 30 LPA on an average you can expect in this particular branch, but requires a lot of hard work. Sir, next department, the last department.
So the number of seats.
Okay, number of seats. But dear students, this 33 number of seats are not for mechanical. This is for all the branches.
All the branches.
So mechanical, let us say 3 to 4 students maybe.
Yes. So then if we talk about, sir, here actually the people know.
Yes.
If we talk about, this is the round 1 for open category.
Sir, it is at par with the IITs.
747.
At par with the IITs.
The lowest gate score for the round 1 is 678. Quite high. So if we have for open category.
Even in round 3, sir, it is
minimum gate score 648.
So a student who was interested in computational dynamic science, data sciences, and missed out the opportunity in ISC Bangalore, then he or she can try their luck in NIT Surathkal.
Yes. Now we have the
The
department
last
of
department.
metallurgical and materials
Again,
engineering.
this department is having 3 specializations, sir, and this is again an interdisciplinary department because PI, mechanical, and in one of the branches, electrical and electronics is also allowed.
Yes.
So let us first of all talk about the top branch in this, which is
Nanotechnology.
nanotechnology.
Nanotechnology. So if you see the gate paper for here, it is engineering sciences, XE, engineering sciences and mechanical also.
So sir, finally in NIT is also
Ah,
XE का खाता खुला.
खाता खुल गया.
मतलब at least because in NITs we have been seeing for the last 2 NITs that XE was not allowed
Yes.
in the mechanical engineering department.
इस पूरे department में, in the entire department, this
XE is allowed.
XE is allowed. Yes. XE
Apart
is
from
allowed in the-
mechanical and PI.
Yeah. So in nanotechnology, what we have to study, क्या पढ़ना है हमको सबसे पहले? तो देखो, this is about the metallurgical and material department, and what you have to study is you have to study material science subject at the nano level. Quantum mechanics, computational mechanics you have to go through. Placement is almost 100%. In fact, sir, this year there were 8 students for the placement. 4 got placed. 2 went for PhD. They were not interested in the
Yes.
placement. And 2 people who took this branch somehow, they were
They
not
cannot
interested in
maintain their
studies.
CGPA.
Their CGPA was very, very low. I think it was not 5.5 or something.
So we will make a special video in August.
So they can't be placed actually. Companies will
They didn't
not be
allow.
able to. Will not be
Companies
able to allow.
didn't allowed because their CG. And sir, in this particular branch, we talked to a student. She was the placement coordinator.
Yes.
She was the placement coordinator. So thanks a lot. Our wishes are there with you, dear. And she was placed in Tata Motors at a package of 12.5 LPA from nanotechnology branch itself.
Yes.
Okay.
So thank you so much for all this.
Yes.
She gave very valuable information.
Very valuable information because see the testimonials you are not going to get at the end of this particular video because we wanted to keep the video short. So that is also one of the
And
reasons.
sir, also it is becoming because we have
Classes, we
Haan.
have recordings.
and we want to complete the important NIT videos before the final
Yes.
date of locking the choices. So
That's
is why
why-
that is the only reason, because see it
But
takes
thanks
a lot, of
to all
coordination.
our lovely students in NIT Surathkal who have helped us a lot to gather all these data and help the upcoming generations. So upcoming generations will definitely समाज सेवा का काम किया आपने, आपको blessings मिलेगा. Okay, चलो.
So companies like steel and material companies come, Tata Motors, then banks and IT companies, but you have to prepare data
Non-core,
analytics,
data analytics.
slightly, so you can get placed here. Then sir, let us talk about the number of seats here. The total number of seats are 18. 18 number of seats are there. And if we talk about the gate score, so
In the first round, 553
Open category.
to 486.
486, sir, quite low gate score people are getting this. Then if we talk about the round 3 for the open, 418. 418 का मतलब है 32, 33 marks, somewhere
32,
like that.
33 marks.
हाँ.
Sir, the other 2 specialization you will find more lower. Because nanotechnology is one of the best branch in this department.
इस department की best branch है ये. So if we see national spot round, so we have open, then this is 445. So basically जो national spot round होता है ना, उसमें तो आओ और पाओ.
How or power?
बस.
Depends on luck.
हाँ.
Sir, what is the next branch in this?
Next branch we have, sir,
Materials engineer. See,
Materials engineer.
the last 2 branches that we are going to discuss in this particular department, they are not that much prone. It is not like that the placements are not there. But the thing is,
है,
the placement
okay.
is on the lower
side.
ठीक है? Try to understand this particular stuff. So we are just discussing the cutoffs with you. We are not getting into the things. In material science, sir, they will
Sir, here the
subjects like
branches,
steel,
if,
heat transfer,
if we see the
corrosion.
gate paper, mechanical is there, production and industrial is there, then XC is also allowed. In this entire department, they
XC
have
is allowed,
हाँ. And qualifying degree, apart from mechanical, there are other also, you can see that. in the
So sir, in
website.
this particular department, steel, subjects like steel, heat treatment, corrosion, fracture mechanics, and in the current batch, the placements have been in Saint-Gobain, Vedanta, ThyssenKrupp, JSW Steel.
Yes.
So all these data has been provided to us by our current students. So it is not like that the placement are not happening. The placements are there, but a bit on the lower side, and the packages are also a bit on the lower side. So
Compared
choose
to-
wisely.
yes.
Choose wisely. Yeah.
Sir, compared to the IITs, especially in the metallurgical
Yeah.
department, in the NIT, the load is less.
Less.
So, agar somebody wants to chill on the private beach,
Yes, and
you are
prepare,
most welcome.
prepare
Yeah.
for gate and engineering services and things like that. Then definitely you can choose.
Yes.
Sir, I think the cutoffs would have also been very less.
33 is the number of seats.
Large number of
And
seats are there.
the professors are, sir, cool and very supportive in this.
Oh my God. Sir, in the round 1 itself, it has come down to
360. That means less than 31 marks.
less than 31 marks. Sir, less than 31 marks means just qualified.
Just qualified. Just qualified.
Sir, round 3. Now show
Round
them
three.
round 3.
Round 3.
I am interested in round 3.
Round 3.
Yeah, it is the same. 360 almost.
Almost same. So we have the round 3 here, and
This is the last. There was no national spot round.
no national spot round. Maybe the seat would have been filled. Now, if we talk about the next branch here, it is MTech in Materials
Process
Technology.
technology.
Yes,
The word process is important in this.
yes,
So, because in this branch they are going to study the process of steel manufacturing and various types of products, how they are manufactured, the process behind that
Exactly.
is they are going to study.
So
So,
gate
again,
paper-
mechanical production NXC is allowed in this, and total 18 seats
18
are
seats
there.
are there.
And
Placement, sir, is almost same as the material. The process department placement is same as the material branch, which we talked about.
yes,
Round 1 for the open lower gate score is
360
360.
approximately.
yes, and for round 3 it
Round
is
3 it has come down to 404.
this may be a
This
slight,
may
I
be
think,
a slight some issue. So you can check on the website. Okay.
This may be, I think, here
This
or
may
there
be,
somewhere.
I think this has got reversed.
This has
So
got
it
reversed.
actually doesn't
No
matter.
issue.
They have got a complete idea
You got a complete.
that approximately if you are in the range of, let us say, just get qualified 300 plus something marks, then definitely you can expect an admission.
But
here.
sir, actually, what may happen is that this may also be correct. Why we
because,
are doubting it?
sir,
because
sir,
see,
sir,
here,
this is an interdisciplinary branch also.
Here it is 575 and here it is 360. But sometimes what happen is that somebody may
Leaves.
choose it in round 3. So fine. So
Yeah, this can happen. There is
so
a
you
possibility.
can just check it once, but you have got the idea. That is the main thing. Yeah.
So, sir, today what is there in my mind? Because in the last video of NIT Trichy, we made a preference list. Okay. This time, what we are going to do is, you make your preference list on that side and my preference list on my side.
So,
Okay.
yes,
so that
this will be interesting.
the students gets a complete viewpoint.
So,
okay.
Okay.
Without looking at each other.
Sir. Ace one.
First of all, you
I will write the heading.
Okay.
Ace list. No, sir. We will write it together. But
Okay.
this is V's list.
Okay.
I will write the heading. No cheating.
I'm
no,
not.
no. You also write, but we will not look at
But
each other.
sir, actually, when you will be writing, now the digital board will not take my command.
Okay. No
So
problem.
first of all, you write
So
your
first I am
preference.
writing the. It is.
And I am not
choice.
looking. Be
Okay.
rest assured about that.
So see, should I speak parallelly? Will you?
You
hear
can speak because you cannot change my view.
Okay, no problem. See, so for I will not write 1. I will write 1/2 can be thermal / this is manufacturing. Then for 3/4 you can choose design and mechatronics. Now for 5th you may choose nanotechnology. and for
Rest
the
other
CDS branch,
branches
no,
we can
the
skip.
actually CDS branches, yeah, rest others I'll skip also. But for the CDS, I think the computational data science, this branch, this is basically, if you are very much interested and want to take the challenge, you can place it at first also. If you don't want to take the challenge, there is no sequence for it, you can completely skip it also. So, these two are your choices. Placement is very good, it can be the first choice or it can not be any choice, that is up to you. Sir,
Sir, my
us
viewpoint
see.
will be that at first number I will keep CDS.
oh, okay.
See, because I am always up to the challenge. And if some student is thinking in a progressive manner, his mathematics is okay and he is ready to interming, because just look at the classroom of CDS. This thing we have also talked
Yes,
about
yes.
in IISc. There is a civil engineer sitting in your class, there is an electronics engineer, there is an electrical, you are a mechanical, there is some other branch students are there. Wow, what a learning domain, what a learning environment. So I will keep CDS at the top level. One more reason is that the same branch is in ISC Bangalore.
Yes.
So if, and it is like a dream branch in ISC Bangalore we have seen. So therefore, if some students missed out their chance in ISC Bangalore, they should definitely look for NIT Surathkal. Just the only thing is that you should be ready for the challenge and you should not be a mediocre student, to be very frank.
The gate scores are also very high.
Otherwise, you will literally die in this kind of branch. Sir, second preference, because I am thinking in much more of a progressive way and you know it, that I am going to put mechatronics. Because see, in today's scenario, if I have to choose as myself as a person, then I would definitely go for mechatronics, because wide spectrum of application is there. Mechatronics is to be utilized in renewable energies, the wind turbines, the propellers, the shafts, the batteries, renewable energies. Apart from that, battery manufacturing, actuators. If you will see a car in current situation, that just got changed. So if you will see a simple car in today's scenario, it is full of mechatronics. Robotics, automation, even the industries, you need mechatronics. So I will, but again, if you are ready for the challenge, because you will have to study the electronics part also. Now some of the student might say, sir, why should I study electronics? It will become a problem. See, you took 4 years to study mechanical engineering. Can't you study a bit of electronics in 2 years? That's the only challenge. So if you are ready for the challenge, that this branch is definitely going to rule according to me. Sir, on third number, I will put thermal.
Okay.
And fourth number, I will put design.
Okay.
And fifth number, I am going to put manufacturing, because this is my personal viewpoint. Because I am, मेरे को थोड़ा manufacturing ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, मतलब मैं as a person बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है. And sixth, I am going to put nanotechnology, if at all. But see,
Acha sir, we have discussed all the points.
Yeah.
And considering all those points, I have given my list.
Yeah.
You have given your list. Now let us do one thing. Which list you will be filling? Comment karo.
Comment karo.
A, V.
See,
A or V.
See, no two human beings are same on planet Earth. And that is the beauty of democracy. That you have some ideology according to you.
Yes.
I have some my ideology according to me. So that is the reason why today, instead of creating a dilemma, we have put two different lists. Sir is having a different viewpoint. I am having a different viewpoint. As a person, just tell us in the comment box that you as a person, you are on which side of the table. Okay, or maybe some third side. You never know. Some student might be very much interested in nanotechnology. You never know. Okay, so we are opening the comment box to our lovely students, एंड सर मुझे तो बहुत आनंद आया इसको करने में.
हाँ, today before making this,
Yeah.
we were just talking about. I think आज 30 minutes में over करते हैं and let us go back. Have something to attend at home. तो हमें लगा कि ठीक है चलते हैं. But once we start discussing, because we enjoy the discussion. सर अगर हम enjoy नहीं कर रहे होते तो हमारे लिए it would have been very very difficult. और the also I think
You can see the pleasure on our faces.
Why we enjoy it because अगर शायद ये वीडियो मैं अकेला बना रहा होता, if I would have been alone, that enthusiasm would not have been there. If maybe sir would have been alone, but because we are together, we enjoy the entire work. Also, whatever we do after the class, I am here. You have completed your assignment, whatever you were doing. And we are enjoying our
today we took a lot of interviews also.
हाँ, आज interviews भी लिए.
We took a lot of interviews also. So dear students, I hope देखिए as a teacher हमारा काम सिर्फ पढ़ाना ही नहीं है, वो तो हमारा मूलभूत उद्देश्य है ही, वो तो दायित्व है ही. लेकिन देखिए एक सबसे बड़ी जो एक फिलॉसफी है जिसमें सर भी बिलीव करते हैं और मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा बिलीव करता हूँ. इफ़ अ टीचर इज देयर, आई शुड ब्रिंग सम पॉजिटिविटी टू योर लाइफ. I should bring some light to your life. I should bring some values to your life. And definitely when you become a combination, a teacher who can't spread happiness with his knowledge, a teacher who can't spread positivity into your lives when you are in a state of anxiety, when you are in a state of depression, or when you are down and out, it is us who as a person with a lot of joy in our heart, we are trying our best to propagate that positivity through this computer screen onto you. So sky is the limit. Have faith on yourself, and that is the ultimate, the message of all these videos, and you can achieve whatever you are dreaming. It is not the problem of the branch, it is in you. That as Vivekananda said, sir, all the powers to achieve anything lies within you.
Yes.
So it is up to you that you should really bring those things forward, and you should be ready for the challenge in the masters. Okay.
So sir, I think we should
wrap up.
Yes, wrap up.
So on that note, dear students, we will meet in the next video somewhere else. Show us some love in the comment section, and subscribe to the Made Easy channel also. This is Varun Pathak sir signing off with Amrinder sir. Jai Hind.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.